That's their seatbelt. Top of the morning there. Dying at 51. Means I'm in... what the hell do you call it? Lehman Bar. Why do I forget that bloody name? Lehman Bar, Lehman Bar, Lehman Bar, Lehman Bar. I'm at Lehman Bar. There you go. Bale and Mowbray area, which is on the A1. It was absolutely rammed. It's actually still kind of busy. When I came in, I'm like, oh, blinking heck. Not too bad in the end. The guy in front of us, he only went and grabbed a cup of coffee. So you can moan a bit if you like about, you know, he's bloody on there, but I'd rather he was getting a cup of coffee than filling up when you're in a bit of a hurry, which I'm not. I've just got to get this load down to Coventry and straight back home. I've done it the other day. Wow, God, I started like 5 o'clock. Today I started at 4:30, put my card in about 20 to 5. Got a full load. But going back to Monday, all in all I was finished by 6:30 at night. A bit of a long in, but it was fine. I got to the guys at Coventry around 11:15. Just traffic and having to take my break and everything like that. Just blah. I set off half an hour earlier today just to see if that makes any difference to the traffic further down the road. I know every day is different, but just a little test for myself. I was awake anyway, so get up and get out. Struggle to see the indicators on some cars these days, big time. It's indicating to go left there, but I couldn't see it until he was literally turning his blinking in front of his vehicle. BMW estate. So it's just starting to get light now, which is good. What time is it? 6:40 AM. 3 hours away plus a break. I was looking at me sat nav earlier on there, like, and it was going to be there for 8:40. I'm like, that's impossible. It doesn't make sense. But I think the eyes hadn't quite adjusted. Looking now, I can see it's clearly saying 9:40. Hey ho. Drop this down to 50. Let the games begin. Just approaching junction 43 on the A1, splitting off, and then I run down to the M18. I've just had a Eureka moment, and honestly I've been weeks and weeks and weeks trying to think of a name for my drone services. You know, when I qualified now as a drone pilot, I could do aerial and videography and get paid for it without getting into trouble. You see a lot of YouTube videos out there with drones flying around, and if that site is monetized, then they're breaking the law basically, unless they're qualified in sticking within the rules. So I didn't want to do that. I wanted to try and make a little bit of money doing something that I enjoyed. My site is monetized. I make absolutely nout on it, trust me. I made loads on the lobster pot one. For some reason, when it hit over 1 million, I made a few quid on that, which was great because it helped us upgrade my gear, which is what I do every time. That money goes to normally spare batteries or SIM cards, memory cards and things like that. And occasionally, like when I got the daft money for the lobster video, I bought a new camera, and I've gone from there, you know. So I've been trying to think of a good name, a catchy name for me. I was going to put it out there, you lot as well, like you guys, you know, come up with some ideas for us, because it's doing me head in. Had some really funny ones off friends suggested and things like that, and I'm holding back from putting it out there until I've actually got the site up and running, because it might be taken, but I'm convinced it isn't. So watch out for that. I'll send a link. You'll have a look at it once it's all done and dusted. And oh man, I can't wait to stop to check. Seriously, not been easy. So there you go. You do get a lot of thinking time when you're driving your trucks. I think I've got it. Yeah. Alright, I'm choosing Donington Services. It's not a bad service station. Hopefully it's not rammed. I do go past two sort of like lay-bys with cafes on, but nah. "45 minutes in here and I'm only 40 miles away." Ah! So frustrating. Right, just had 45 in there. I'm not too far away now from Cov, 35 mile. Get in there. Bit of a tricky reverses. You're hoping drivers are looking ahead of them instead of behind them, like looking ahead and not either side all the time for somewhere to park when I'm reversing back. It's always a tricky one. You come into the services, you're looking left and right for somewhere to put your wagon or your truck or whatever you're driving, and you don't see any of the vehicles reversing out. That's why most of them you have to reverse in, but these ones you drive in. That's it. Come on, son. I've just had me break there in Newton Aycliffe, another one that's a bit of a struggle for us to remember the name of. I wonder if it's an age thing. Might be. Just parked up in a nice little quiet spot, nobody around. Went and got myself a cup of coffee, Seattle's best coffee. It's alright. It's alright. Should be back in the yard for between 2:15 and 5 o'clock. And hopefully with a bit of luck, get out there for about 5:30 by the time I get all sorted in the yard. So it's a bugger having to do the 45, like, just want to be, when you're so close to home, I'm only 50 miles away, but just kind of do it in there, 4.5. I mean, I had a really good go there, like, no traffic, now just went for it, and that's 4 hours 15, got us to there. It's a bugger. Hey ho. Right, I'm just going to run this through, take you home with some nice music, some new stuff. It's cost us just over 200 quid to get the rights to all the music that you hear now on this channel. So again, you know, any kind of money that I make through the monetization and that helps massively towards things like that. Pick a decent one, crank it up, catch us later.
You've been down this road for far too long. He left your love behind, but still you keep on crawling back despite the pain inside. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy. Give me a chance to show that you can be. Well, open your eyes and you see the way I see. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy with me. Your tears, they say 1,000 words. I've heard them all before. The ones who love the most, my dear, are the ones left hurting more. He broke you down with no remorse. Now who will heal the bruise? The one you want in your heart, standing right in front of you. 'Cause all that I chance to show that you can be. Well, open your eyes, hey.